now return to packaging on Modern Marvels. Packaging can play a crucial role in settings you've probably never conceived of, like disaster sites. Imagine how handy it would be to have a giant impermeable bag that could store oil-slick debris in the wake of a major spill, or sand to create sandbags against rising floodwaters. The PacTec Corporation of Clinton, Louisiana, has answered the challenge. Their mega bags can even safely package radioactive waste and have one key advantage over the steel containers used extensively for decades.
The benefits of flexible packaging over the standard metal containers is the space required to store it. Typically these projects are very large and the number of containers needed are large, and with the flexible container we can package tons of units on pallets.
But how do you make a bag for radioactive waste that's just as effective as a rigid steel drum? The secret lies in multiple layers of heavy plastic and woven fiber materials.
We have two main materials. We use a 6-ounce woven polypropylene, and we also have the felt material. It's a non-woven. It's a 12-ounce. It's pretty thick. Whatever going into the bag, it won't puncture through that 12-ounce material.
But it's not just the heavy-duty material that makes the bags such effective packages. It's also the heavy thread used to stitch the layers together. Consumer thread is graded at a thickness between 100 to 200 denier, the unit of measurement for the density of fibers. PacTec thread is 30 times heavier. And the sewing machine stitching it is truly industrial strength.
Don't get your hands in there because it'll sew anything that goes through it.
Each bag comes equipped with straps and zippers that make moving and using it easier. Construction methods ensure that these features won't leak or rupture.
These straps are actually what is used to lift this bag up full of debris, dirt, whatever they're putting into it. Once they get it, they will fill it up and they'll zip it. Sometimes they'll put dirt, sometimes they'll put crushed concrete. No telling what they put in them.
To make sure the bags are hefty enough to handle radioactive waste, PacTec runs tests at its facility.
What they do is typically load those with heavy equipment into the bags, take the bag out of the loading frame that it's sitting in, and load them onto flatbed trucks or rail cars to be transported to disposal sites that are approved for low-level radioactive soils and construction debris.
As packaging experts are solving environmental problems on Earth,